Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and today we are doing a chocolate yellow smoky eye. Can you see it? Looks dope, right? And it's super easy. I used 1,000 colors, but it's fine. I'll put everything in the description box that I use on my eyes in order so you'll know how to do it the way I did it. So boom, there's that. Anyways, before we transition on to the makeup tutorial, I just wanted to cover a couple of things, converse with you, me, you. So this is what I have to say, and I probably won't ever speak on this again, but it's about Featurism and colorism and this whole thing. Of course, as you can tell, I am a dark-skinned woman with Afrocentric features. I love my features very much. I will never correct them. I love my nose, I love my lips, I love my cheeks, I love my eyes. I love me, and I'm not for everybody, and everybody is not for me, and that's okay. As far as colorism goes, whew, that is such a broad topic, but you are beautiful. We are not a trend, and really get to know yourself and love yourself. That's all I can say about that. Just words of encouragement for girls who've been made fun of for your features. You're beautiful. Work on yourself, love yourself before trying to alter anything on your face. Remember, take care of the root cause of it, because even if you get the surgery, it's not going to change anything. It's not going to change how you truly feel about yourself. And yeah, oh, one more thing, and this is just something I realized, and I realized it's necessary for me to be back on this platform now. I wish I would have realized it 2 years ago when I was inconsistent, but because I am a dark-skinned black woman with full Afrocentric features, what I noticed before coming back on this platform is that I could never find women, well, I won't say never, but it was hard to kind of seek out women with my type of features to know like how they did certain things with their makeup and all of that stuff, and just how they accentuated their features. And that's when I was like, okay, Brain, you really need to get back on this platform, because one, you're a whole makeup artist. You know what to do with your face. You know your features. You know a lot of other features of all races, because you've been doing this for 7 years. So put yourself back out there. If you are underrepresented, study your craft. Really, study the game of whatever you're wanting to get into that you feel underrepresented in, and do it yourself. Don't beg nobody to do something that you want to see. You make it happen for you. That's all I'm going to say. Getting off my soapbox. I'm hopping off. You're welcome. I'm done talking. Okay. Well, you know what to do. Okay? Go ahead. Like, comment, share, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. But anyways, I hope what I said made sense, because I didn't write nothing down. I just went straight from the heart, not of course the mind, but it's really from my heart. I want young black girls and black women, regardless of the age, to truly love and accept themselves for who they are. We're gonna go ahead and go to the tutorial. Enjoy. Remember, chase after your dreams, and I love y'all. Wait for
wanna wait, but now, baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it? Can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. Can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. I know you wanna wait, but now, baby, can you? Baby, can you? Baby, can you? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it? Can you? Baby, can you? Can you? Baby, can you? Wait for it. Baby, can you? Can you? Baby, can you? Wait for it. Baby, can you? Can you? Baby, can you? Wait for it. Baby, can you? Can you? Baby, can you? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it? Can you? Baby, can you? Can you? Baby, 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 can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. Can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. I know you wanna wait, but now, baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it, wait for it? Baby, can you wait for it, wait for it? Can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. Can you? I can't take it. Baby, can you? I can't take it. I know you wanna wait, but now, baby, can you?